Most people with diabetes wake up already fighting a blood sugar battle before they even take their first bite of food, because during the early morning hours, the liver releases stored glucose into the bloodstream as part of a natural survival mechanism designed to give the body energy for the day ahead. And when insulin resistance is present, that sugar has nowhere to go. Instead of being moved into the muscles and cells to be used for fuel, it stays trapped in the blood, silently raising glucose levels before breakfast even begins. This is why so many people see high readings first thing in the morning, even if they ate perfectly the night before and did nothing wrong. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about Diaelon, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on Diaelon.com. Stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline also rise in the morning, making insulin work even less effectively and allowing blood sugar to climb even higher. The problem becomes much worse when breakfast adds even more glucose on top of what is already circulating, creating a dangerous stacking effect that pushes levels far beyond what the body can safely handle. The typical breakfast that most people are taught to eat, such as cereal, toast, oatmeal, pancakes, or even fruit smoothies, pours gasoline on that fire because these foods are quickly broken down into sugar that floods the bloodstream within minutes. Even foods that seem healthy, like whole grains or blended fruit, are absorbed rapidly and hit the blood as glucose almost immediately. The pancreas struggles to keep up by pumping out large amounts of insulin, but insulin resistance blocks glucose from entering the cells where it belongs. The result is a sharp spike in blood sugar followed by a crash that leaves people tired, shaky, mentally foggy, and craving more sugar just a few hours later, trapping them in a cycle of eating, spiking, crashing, and overeating that continues all day long. To stop this cycle, the first meal of the day has to do three things at once. It must shut down the liver's glucose release. It must improve insulin sensitivity so sugar can actually enter cells and be used for energy. And it must slow how quickly any sugar from food enters the blood. These three actions work together like a control system for blood sugar, and if even one of them is missing, glucose levels become unstable and unpredictable. When the liver keeps dumping sugar, when insulin cannot do its job, or when food sugar rushes into the bloodstream too quickly, the body is forced into a constant state of emergency. When all three are addressed at the same time, morning spikes fade away, energy becomes steady, hunger becomes easier to control, and the body finally relaxes instead of reacting. This creates a calm metabolic state that allows the rest of the day to unfold with far fewer highs and lows, fewer cravings, and much better overall glucose control. This is where the number one breakfast for diabetics comes in, because it is built specifically to create that stable environment inside the body instead of working against it. It is not about skipping meals, starving the body, or following extreme rules, but about giving your metabolism the exact nutrients it needs to function smoothly. Rather than forcing the body to fight through a flood of sugar, this type of breakfast supports the natural balance between insulin, glucagon, and blood glucose. When eaten consistently, this approach trains the body to handle glucose more efficiently for the rest of the day, so even lunch and dinner become easier to manage with fewer spikes and crashes. At the center of this meal is a powerful source of protein and fat that contains no sugar at all, which sends a clear message to the liver that energy is available and there is no need to release more glucose into the bloodstream. This alone can bring down elevated morning readings by stopping the liver from overproducing sugar. Protein also triggers just enough insulin to move glucose out of the blood and into the muscles and cells where it belongs without causing a spike or a crash. This creates a smooth, controlled response that keeps levels stable instead of swinging wildly. It is one of the most effective ways to bring fasting and morning blood sugar down naturally, while also protecting the pancreas from being overworked. This protein also increases a hormone called glucagon in a balanced way, which works with insulin to keep blood sugar steady and helps the body tap into stored fuel instead of constantly demanding more sugar. This creates a healthier metabolic rhythm that supports fat burning and glucose control at the same time. When eaten in the morning, this combination reduces hunger hormones, keeps people full for hours, and even lowers blood sugar responses at the next meal, a powerful effect known as the second meal effect. Many people with diabetes never experience this benefit when they eat carb-heavy breakfasts, which is why they often struggle with spikes all day long. Alongside this protein, the meal includes fiber-rich plant foods that slow digestion and create a protective barrier in the gut, preventing glucose from rushing into the bloodstream all at once. Fiber works like a brake pedal, allowing sugar to be released gradually instead of in a sudden surge. These plants also feed beneficial gut bacteria that produce compounds that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, making it easier for the body to control blood sugar not just today but over the long term. A healthier gut environment leads to better hormone signaling, better appetite control, and better metabolic balance overall. Healthy fats are another key part of this breakfast because they slow the entire digestive process and provide steady, long-lasting energy without raising blood sugar. Unlike carbohydrates, which are quickly broken down into glucose, fats move through the digestive system slowly and do not trigger insulin spikes. This means the body can use them for fuel without creating a rise in blood sugar. Fat keeps food in the stomach longer, which prevents rapid glucose absorption from any carbohydrates in the meal and helps maintain stable levels for hours. It also sends powerful signals to the brain and the liver that the body is well fed and safe, which reduces stress hormones that normally push blood sugar higher. These signals further shut down the liver's need to dump extra glucose into the blood. All of this creates a calm, stable metabolic state that lasts far longer than the brief burst of energy provided by carbohydrates, allowing people to feel satisfied, focused, and steady well into the morning. A small amount of naturally sweet plant food is also included, not to spike blood sugar, but to provide powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that protect cells and improve insulin function. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and inflammation inside the body, both of which make insulin resistance worse and accelerate diabetic complications. When eaten alone, sweet foods can cause glucose to surge, but when they are paired with protein and fat, their natural sugars are released slowly into the bloodstream. This prevents the dangerous spikes and crashes that usually come from eating fruit or sugar by itself. It allows people with diabetes to enjoy flavor, freshness, and satisfaction without paying a blood sugar price, which makes this way of eating far more sustainable long-term. When all of these foods are finally combined, the number one breakfast for diabetics is revealed to be a plate built around eggs, leafy greens, healthy fats, and a small portion of low glycemic berries. Each part of this meal plays a specific role in controlling blood sugar, from stopping liver glucose release to improving insulin sensitivity and slowing digestion. This specific combination directly targets insulin resistance, liver glucose output, and rapid carbohydrate absorption all at once, which is why it works so much better than any traditional breakfast. Instead of triggering a spike followed by a crash, it creates a smooth, controlled blood sugar curve that supports energy, focus, and mental clarity throughout the morning. Eating this breakfast keeps blood sugar steady for hours because protein and fat digest slowly, fiber blocks rapid glucose entry, and insulin is used more efficiently by the body. This prevents mid-morning crashes, sudden hunger, and intense sugar cravings that often lead people to reach for snacks that push blood sugar even higher. With stable glucose levels, appetite becomes easier to manage, energy stays consistent, and it becomes much easier to make healthy choices later in the day. As a result, many people feel more satisfied, more focused, and more in control of both their eating and their blood sugar. Over time, people who eat this way begin to see their fasting blood sugar drop, their A1C improve, and their need for medication often decrease because their bodies become more sensitive to insulin. Cells start responding better to insulin signals. Glucose is cleared from the blood more efficiently, and the pancreas no longer has to produce excessive amounts of insulin to keep levels under control. Even modest weight loss from eating this type of breakfast further improves blood sugar control, creating a powerful positive cycle where better metabolism leads to better glucose numbers and better overall health. This meal also reduces inflammation, which is one of the hidden drivers of insulin resistance and many diabetic complications. Chronic inflammation damages blood vessels, nerves, and organs, and it interferes with insulin's ability to move glucose into cells. The nutrients in eggs, greens, healthy fats, and berries work together to calm the immune system, reduce oxidative stress, and protect delicate tissues throughout the body. This helps support the heart, brain, eyes, and kidneys, which are all especially vulnerable in diabetes. As the body adapts to eating this way, it becomes better at burning fat for energy instead of constantly relying on sugar. This improves metabolic flexibility, meaning the body can switch between fuels more easily and does not panic when glucose is not immediately available. This makes blood sugar easier to manage even when carbohydrates are eaten later in the day. People often notice better energy, clearer thinking, fewer headaches, and fewer mood swings because their glucose levels stay stable instead of swinging up and down throughout the day. Because this breakfast is simple, affordable, and customizable, it can be eaten every day without feeling restrictive or boring. Different vegetables, herbs, spices, and healthy fats can be rotated in to keep meals enjoyable while preserving the powerful blood sugar benefits. When you eat this breakfast consistently, you are not just controlling your morning numbers for a few hours, you are gradually retraining your metabolism and changing how your body handles glucose at a deep biological level. Over time, cells become more sensitive to insulin, the liver releases less unnecessary sugar, and blood glucose becomes easier to regulate throughout the entire day. This can lead to fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and a much lower risk of long-term complications. Many people also find they need fewer medications, have more stable energy, think more clearly, and feel better overall. By simply starting your day with the right kind of breakfast, you are laying the foundation for a longer, healthier, and more empowered life with diabetes.